Hello again, Andy with Handy Andy, Handyman, and we're out today. And I'm not gonna be able to show you a lot on here, but it amazes me what goes on in the world. So, my client on this house, we're doing a few things for him. He has sold his house, and we're fixing a few things for the inspection report. You see this crepe myrtle right here, and you see this water meter box right here. So he's got a drain line that runs through here as well for the sewer, and it's right underneath this crepe myrtle. And because on sewer drains like that, oftentimes they don't glue the pipes. They just dry fit them because they're not pressurized, and everyone's hurrying to make money. So why glue the stuff and do it right? These roots are pretty strong, and somehow they sense that water in that pipe, and they popped it, and the pipe is split on top of it. So we've got to cut a section of pipe out of here. And the sad part about it is they called the plumber out because they had a little bit of backup inside the house. So the plumber comes out. He doesn't tell them how much it's going to cost to inspect the line and clear the roots a little bit. So he does that. He spends 45 minutes out here, does his thing, gives them a bill for $1,100, and then says, well, we can repair this and we can do it today, but it's going to be $6,500. And we hear that there's 2 or 3 national plumbing companies that work this kind of stuff in Atlanta, and that's a typical charge for this work is about $6,000. And so when Kevin told me about it, I was like, yeah, it's about a $6,000 charge he gave. He said, yeah, that's exactly right. How did you know? Because we get this call at least once or twice a week, and it's exactly the same scenario. And most of our clients don't realize that we do this kind of work too. So we will come out and fix this thing for a fraction of the cost. We never know when we're digging this stuff up we're getting into. If you're doing this stuff, make sure your plumbers, call 811 and get the utility companies to come out here and mark the lines, the gas lines, and everything else here. We're a full service contractor. You can see we got our guys out here doing some tile work right now. We do pretty much everything you can think of. You just have to be patient with us. We get crushed with requests for work, and it's not necessarily because we're the greatest contractors in Atlanta. We're not, but we do good work at reasonable prices. And you'll come back, and because we're already with these clients, we're booked out, but we'll go ahead and do this and get it done in time for closing. So we'll be out here in the next few days. As soon as they mark these lines, we'll get it done. You can reach us in the office, 770-912-2829. Sometimes you can catch me, Andy, directly at 770-265-9017. Thanks so much. See you at the next house. Bye for now.